Cancer Warriors actually believes in the fact that no one should fight cancer alone, and no one should live a diminished life because of cancer. So with that in mind, Cancer Warriors would actually support child, teenager, adolescents, and even our patient carers and guardians. No? So at whatever stage, whatever need that is expressed, we try to find ways para matabangan nato ang mga bata o ang mga pamilya. So because of that, for example, here in Cebu, actually we are in different parts of the country, hindi lang sa Cebu. We are in Batangas, we are in Manila, we are also in Bicol and in Davao. Pero ang ato diri sa Cebu was more localized ang ato ang pagtabang sa ato mga pamilya based on sa ato mga expressed needs. As mentioned ni Naomi before, we started out katong pagsugod nato 2010 sa Cebu. Ang ato good na priority was really medicines. So direct good na siya na ihatag nato sa mga pasyente. Once they provide us with the prescriptions, we will try to help them. We will be able to provide the medicines directly for free sa ating mga pasyente. And then eventually, nagsugod tag 4 lang ta sa Cebu that time. Pero eventually, nalaghan man ng cases or nalaghan po ng referrals sa ato sa Cancer Warriors. Right now, in our roster since 2010, we are about 200. So 200 ang ato ang mga survivor, mga Cancer Warriors, and these are composed of those in active treatment hangtod sa survivors. So dili taguon lang tungod kay humana siya, so kailangan na nato ang support. So as mentioned ni Kyle earlier, pati ang pag-study, ang ilahang education atong ipangitaan paagi na masuportaan, especially in terms of masustain or mapadayon ng ilang pag-study. So we have a partnership also is UST Angelico College in Manila. So just yesterday, we are proud to announce that we are able to have our first graduate here in Cebu. So ang ato ang anak ni Miss Jean, si Popoy, was able to finish. Wala siya nag-study, wala po siya nasunod sa school, but we were able to finish the elementary years with in partnership and support also of UST Angelico College and Cancer Warriors Foundation. Ang ato po ng mga survivors are also supported. We're trying to also create partnerships with schools and universities locally para makapangita paagi for scholarships also. So sustain po lang ato ang help sa ato ang mga survivors. Pangita nato paagi na we are able to live out our vision of a happy, healthy, and meaningful life for children with cancer. So, pag nahuman na sila, pangita na itong paagi, na maka-study, na maka-integrate back to society. Para sa hindi mo ni Miss Naomi, si Faith has a very, is a very empowered woman na kanang nag-dream good siya na sa ito yun yung grant na she is actually empowered woman. Okay, ang iyang gisudlan is a field of men. Pero ganahan ko siya na i-break up barriers. So actually, we have many more stories of our patients who are actually living out this particular vision of having a happy, healthy, and meaningful life. Katong usa, we have during the pictorials, we have with us Angel, who is also studying to become a nurse. No? We have somebody also who has been a survivor, na siya sa gawas, and she's also a nurse. Oh no, si Gisha, that's also a nurse. So we are very inspired by these stories. No? These are stories of strength. No? Earlier, nililak si Miss Lau kay niagi man good pagkalisod. You know? I mean, and I think there was no dry eye in the room. Nakarelate na sa agi-agian, no? What you see in the posters, in the promotions for the run are actually children who have already been able to survive. Parehas ni Kai, she was wala siya kahinungdo, pero behind all those struggles is ang support sa iyang family. So, ang acknowledge ko na presence ni Miss Connie. So, ang presence po sa ato ang pamilya, no? At ako po natabang na ang pamilya sa atong mga survivors nakatabang po sila sa pag-make sure na makasurvive po ka. But more importantly, here in Cebu, we are very lucky and we are very humbled na daghan na po tag mga partners and among these partners, especially ang Rose Pharmacy, kay consistent ever since 7th year na to. I was telling the team earlier, I have met new team, old team, and the previous teams from before, and then Caron and Jim, your family is growing, and I'm happy that even despite everything, nag-agian nato, nag-agitag bagyo, nag-agitag linaw, nag-agitag COVID, nag-agitag pandemic, and all, and through everything that has been happening locally and internationally, I'm very, very happy that we have been able to establish a very good relationships with our local partners, especially Rose Pharmacy, and our team of volunteers also has been providing this platform for us. We are also very thankful because you are highlighting not only the event or the partnership, but more importantly, the stories that they tell. So we are very humbled that this has gained a very massive platform para maipaabot sa uban na nanginahanglan that sakto ni Lydia kanina naay motabang, naay nanginahanglan ug naay motabang. I also like to believe that our role here in Cancer Warriors is very similar to that. We are just here to show up and to tell people that if there is a need, there are also a lot of people who is coming out to support us in our advocacy. And I think the past 7 years with the massive registrations and the massive fully booked slots for our runs are actually a testament to the commitment of every Cebuano, of every community of runners who are supporting us, who believes in this advocacy. So, daghang salamat. Actually, yun ako paabot sa pagpasalamat that ever since the year 1, na ito nag-undang, nagpadayon ta. I believe even despite the pandemic, nagpadayon ni Hapon na GM. We stopped 1 year, but even when we stopped the run, the relationship did not stop. So we were happy that we were able to continue this partnership, and we're hoping that magpadayon magihapon ta para sa mga ato ang mga pasyente o ato mga pamilya na nag-expect sa ato ang support. So thank you very much everybody. Our friends in the media, thank you very much for coming and providing the platform for these stories to be shared and told to many, and to hopefully provide inspirations and to be able to also tell them that they are not alone in this fight. Because as Cancer Warriors believe, our bottom right, no one fights cancer alone. Salamat.